G'day guys, I'm Ben from Beretta Australia, and today we will be showing you how to mount your Aimpoint Acro P2 or C2 red dot optic onto your pistol. For this you will need your Aimpoint Acro Sight, your Aimpoint adjustment tool, and you'll also need an Aimpoint Acro adapter plate that is compatible with your pistol. These are available through Beretta Australia. The pistol we're going to be using today is the Beretta APX. First of all, check that your pistol is clear and safe to work on. Next, using the appropriate tools, we need to remove the slide blanking plate on the top of the slide. Take care not to lose any deselector springs if applicable. Next, we need to install the Aimpoint Acro adapter plate. Next, using the Aimpoint adjustment tool, loosen the side clamp using the bolt on the right hand side of the Aimpoint Acro. Next, place the Acro onto the Acro adapter plate, ensuring that the side clamp clears the edge of the plate. Next, using the Aimpoint adjustment tool, tighten the side clamp bolt on the right hand side of the Acro sight whilst pulling the sight towards the muzzle. This now completes the installation of the Acro sight. For more information on the Aimpoint Acro sight, go to the Beretta Australia website at www.berettaaustralia.com.au.